With most of our clients moving over to VoIP phone systems, I'm often asked, what are we going to do about our fax machine? How are we going to get faxes? Today we're going to talk a little bit about electronic faxing. With modern VoIP phone systems, we no longer have the old analog fax machine sitting around the office anymore. What we're able to do is take a scanner and merge that right into your email system and then use an e-faxing service. So at DPC Technology, we have Complete Fax, which is part of our Complete Voice program. There are other e-fax services that you can use, but they all work very similarly. And so I'm going to go through the steps that you do to send a fax and show you how you would receive it on the other end. For this example, I'm going to send and receive to ourselves. Our faxing comes into our software directly, and I'll show you that, but if you wanted them to just come to a particular mailbox, you could do that as well. So anyways, I'm just going to jump right into the software real quick, and I'm going to show you how it works. So you just bring up your email like normal, and where you would normally click send, you're just going to put in the phone number and at faxhd.com. So whoever the person's phone number is, plus the faxhd.com. Our phone number is, our fax number is what I'm entering here. And then you can just put in a subject and you can attach a file. Now there really are two ways to do this. You could attach a given file on your computer, or you could use your scanner to put the information you want into the scanner on your computer, click the acquire button, and have that acquire button automatically bring up your email. So you would click scan, it would automatically bring the documents through the scanner and then bring up a email send screen on your screen, which you would just type in the phone number there and click send. So once you click send, it will just go through just like normal. You'll just see it disappear. And maybe 10-15 seconds later, you're going to get a confirmation email back that the fax was sent and that the system has it and it is sending it on to the recipient. As soon as that happens, you'll get a notification that it's queued successfully, and then maybe another 30 seconds later, it will give you a confirmation that it got to the other side. And that looks very similar. It'll just say success, and you'll know that it's sent, and it'll give you the information that it was sent to that other fax number and what time it was. So you'll have a tracking number and you can kind of confirm that. So that's all you do on your end for sending it. So you scan it in, send it to the email that is just the phone number plus that the faxhd.com, and boom, it's gone. So that's all you do on your side. On the receiving side, like I said, for us, we bring it right into our practice management software, or our PMS, and so it goes right into a portion of what we use ConnectWise, and you'll see here it's just going to bring it up as a ticket inside of our ConnectWise. And so I can just look through it, I can see who it's from, and there will just be an attachment down at the end, which is a PDF, and I can click it there, and there you go, just a fax like normal. Now I have it coming straight into our ConnectWise. You could have it come directly in any of your software as well, or you could have it go to a single recipient's email address. And it would just come in their inbox like anything else. There would be a PDF attached to it. They could double click on it, see the PDF, delete it if they wanted to, forward it on in an email to the correct recipient. It's much easier. Obviously you don't have to have the fax line, or you don't have to have a fax machine sitting somewhere that somebody's going to and finding. You also can send them from any computer. So you don't have to be the one sitting at that computer to do that. You just send it to that number and it goes out and it's done. So there is a little bit of setup that we do on our side, but it's pretty simple and it's easy to do. I find it a great way to get rid of the fax machine, but still keep the relationship with people that don't want to get rid of their fax machine and want to send you faxes. So at least in the interim, while fax machines are still a thing, I think this is a very simple and graceful way to send and receive faxes. As always, if you found this video of value, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.